Hi, I'm Steve Tao, Chief Technology Officer at Immuta. For years, data catalogs like Alation, Atlan, Collibra, Snowflake Horizon, and Databricks Unity Catalog have all helped teams find and understand data. But getting access still meant tickets, approvals, and waiting. Immuta closes that gap. Our catalog integrations connect discovery to governed delivery. Now, when someone finds a data set in their data catalog, they can request access directly, and Immuta handles the rest. Approvals route automatically. Policies are enforced instantly. And access is provisioned natively in the underlying platform upon approval. Even exceptions, like unmasking a column, are handled end-to-end inside the catalog with full audit visibility. This means frictionless self-service access for users and complete oversight for governance teams without adding more work. With Immuta, your data catalogs become intelligent gateways to govern data. Discovery meets delivery, and your teams get access at the speed of need.